Did you know you can still recover compensation after an accident, even if you were partially at fault? In Washington, the law may still allow you to recover damages, but how much you receive depends on something called comparative negligence. Hi, I'm Max Myers, a personal injury attorney here in Bothell, Washington. And today I want to explain how Washington's comparative negligence law can affect your injury claim. In Washington, we follow what's called a pure comparative negligence rule. That means if you are partially responsible for an accident, your compensation can be reduced based on your percentage of fault, but you're not automatically barred from recovery. For example, if your total damages are $100,000, but you're found to be 20% at fault, your recovery could be reduced by that 20%. So you will receive $80,000. This rule applies to many types of injury cases, including car accidents, motorcycle crashes, pedestrian incidents, and more. Let's say two drivers collide at an intersection. One driver was speeding slightly, the other ran a red light. The jury might determine the speeding driver was 25% responsible, while the driver who ran the red light was 75% responsible. Even though the speeding driver contributed to the accident, they can still recover compensation, just reduced by the percentage of fault. That is why proper investigation and evidence are so important in injury cases. Insurance companies often try and shift more blame onto victims to reduce what they have to pay. A common myth is that if you made any mistake at all, you can't bring a claim. That simply is not true in Washington. But insurance adjusters know this law very well, and they may try to argue that you are more responsible than you actually were. That's why documentation, witness statements, accident reconstruction can bring a big difference. If you've been injured in an accident and you're unsure how fault might affect your case, it's important to understand your rights. At Max Myers Law, we help injured people throughout Bothell and across Washington understand their legal options and pursue the compensation they deserve. If you have questions about your accident, please reach out to our office or visit our website to learn more.